Hey guys, I'm Travis from Boundary, and today we're going to be talking about the shim kits. So I've got a BP shim kit here in front of me. What I want to do is I want to debox it, I want to show you how it works, how to do the install, and how to pick the right pressure. Okay, and this is what you're going to get. So we put them inside of this white box, pop open the box. They're going to be in a sealed plastic bag. I may have cut this ahead of time. So all the components, get them all out of here. So we have each shim size, and the shims are marked. So you see we have the 66, 72, 78, 84, and 90 PSI shim, and then we have what you need to make sure they stay in place. So we have a cotter pin for the cotter pin style and an internal snap ring style pump. So both those pumps are out there on the market, and we got you covered for each one. So on shim selection, what you're gonna wanna do is you're basically just going to want to put in a 66 no matter what. So if you're running naturally aspirated, if you're just stock and you're doing a pump replacement, I highly recommend going ahead and putting a 66 in it. The stock pressures are a little bit low for performance driving. 55 to 62 PSI is technically where they're set at. So this bumps that up a little bit to give you a little bit more bearing safety. Now, if we're going to go to extended RPMs, we want to see the 72 PSI, and then turbo, 78, 84, and 90. Basically, every 100 horsepower, you want to add another shim. So 300, 400, 500 horsepower, that's how that needs to be broken down.